was us. Before the beginning, it was us. Anyị bụ mmiri, anyị bụ abalị, anyị nọ tupu ife abịa. What is our offense to the Mother Earth? Why are we seen as evil? We are the gifted ones, but the people in which the gift lives in do not value it. Anyị bụ ọgbanje.
A haunting lurch around by water's deep, where shadows play. But my heart longs for the light of the day. They call me Ogbanje, cursed and wild. They don't turn off the river. The goddess.
My daughter, this is a fatherly advice to you, because you are all I have. You are the only thing that brings joy into my life. Whenever I see you, I remember that I once had a wife who gave birth to you. All I want is your best. I don't want to see you around all those maidens that parade themselves around this village that have no future. I want you to have a responsible life.
Father, I know. I am always very careful. My chi made me to be an example to my loved ones and everyone around me. Nnam, you are all I have. I will ensure I do everything to keep you happy.
Hello.
Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Come with us. Come with us. Come with us. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Is coming. Fear will live in him. You will cry, and nobody will stand with you. You are Nobanje, the child of the gods, the gifted one, the most loved by nature and cherished by Hachi. Beneath you is your enemy. You shall trample upon. Keep your fears away. Keep the fears of human away. Wake up your spirit. Wake up your soul, child of the gods. Come forth. We are the owners of peace. We rule the light and darkness. From the beginning we covered, till now we feed the earth. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nka, anya mmadụ akpọ. Ndụ mmiri, Azu, Africanka, I am Madako.
Ogenepa. Ogene, what is it?
Great daughter of the earth, we brought you this far so that you can know you belong to somewhere very special. You are that one soul that is more important than 5 souls. Anibu anyi ya, enubu anyi ya, ikuku bunka anyi, abali uchichi ka anyi jaga.
Please, I want to go back to my father. He will be crying right now. I am the only thing he has. I can feel his pain.
People will cry for your sake. Kingdoms will cry for your sake. Your happiness will be seized. Your return will bring more pains to you. Let's stay here and enjoy abundant peace with our chi.
No! I love my father so much. I want to make him proud. You should not have brought me this far, because as we speak, he might have taken my body to the mud.
Your father will be the first to take your happiness. We love to see him die, so you can have a great future. They hate us. They discriminate.
No. Allow me go back to my father, Biko.
Go! Go! Go!
Obika, your daughter has gone far away from the earth. She might never return. Her soul is not close.
Hey, please.
I might have to leave now.
Biko, please. Please, come back. Please. Come back, she's awake. She's awake. Come back, Biko. Hey, Nina, where did you travel to? What happened to you? What is all this? Where did you go to? Kerebije? She's awake. Eh, Biko?
I have to leave.
Please. Hey. Nina,
Nam,
you can even talk.
I did not die. I do not know what happened to me.
You did not die. You do not know what happened to you. Kerebije. What happened?
Cursed and wild, a daughter of the river, the goddess child.
Nmiri, Azu, Africanka, I am Madako.
Agini! What is it?
Nmirioma, what is it? Why are you screaming? Who are you talking to?
No one, Father. I am fine.
Hey.
What is it? Why are you people disturbing me?
You are one of us. Enjoy your days on earth. Don't forget that Abani is our day. The darkness that covers the sight of humans brings daylight to us. Anyị bụ one day. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, Africanka, I am Madako.
Who are you talking to? You are scaring me. Nmirioma.
It's you. What brings you to my house? I hope all is well.
Ifed, my son, I am here to see you because of the situation that I'm involved. And it is only you that can solve this problem.
Ichie, what is it?
You know you are the only one that is very close to my daughter.
I know.
As I am here now, talking with you, my heart is almost jumping out from my body.
May the gods forbid.
Ifed, my son.
Ichie.
I don't know what has come over my daughter, Nmirioma. She has been acting so strange for hours now. I'm trying to talk to her, but to no avail. That is why I have come to see you. Because you are the only one I know that can talk to her. So please, I want you to come and talk to her. Let me know what is happening.
Okay, there is no problem, Ichie. Just go back to your hut and relax your mind. I am promising you here and now that I will come to your hut and talk to her.
Ifed, my son.
Ichie.
Is it not better that you follow me to my hut?
Right now? Ichie, don't worry yourself. I will come and talk to her.
You are coming after me?
Yes.
You will come to the hut?
Yes.
I am waiting. Oh.
I know. It
is almost jumping now.
I jump. Acting strange one.
Am I really what they call me? Why am I being seen as an Ogbanje? Why? My father will not understand what my heart feels like, not living a normal life anymore. Now my life is far from him.
Run, come. Kasienigenu, come. Look at him, your father is dying.
What happened to him?
Obim, I saw your father lying lifeless on the road on the way coming to your hut. On a one, look at him. Hey, Ichie. He's dying.
Undu mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a,
Why? Why did you choose to take my happiness away from me?
I did not do anything, my love.
How dare you?
Hey.
How do I believe I am who people called me?
I did not say anything, my love.
You want me to be alone in this kingdom without a father? How dare you touch my father?
Did I touch you? I only saw him lying lifeless. What is it? I am innocent, my love.
We just started.
Started what?
My love, I did not start anything.
Started what, I ask you?
I did not start anything, my love.
You cannot do this to me. I lost my mother some years ago. I cannot afford to lose my father now.
Anger. When it is dark, the humans goes to sleep. But the owners of night comes out to enjoy her day.
I command you to bring back my father now!
My love, I don't have such power. Who are you talking to, my love? How can I did not kill him, my love.
You refuse to accept who you are. Pace! Pace! Hey!
Stand before you as the big mother of the night, as the light of Ogbanje. Bring back my father now!
Nmirioma, it's new Ogbanje. Mba, Akira, Akam di Ocha, please. Biko. Ebuna, don't kill me, please.
We cannot cause our own pain. Go back to your body. 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 Go. 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 Go.
Don't kill me. Ebulam. Nmirioma, Biko. Thank the gods. Ichie, Biko, Kweziokwu. I want you to say the truth. Emetrongaga.
They gather in the night, with their secret rites, a promise and power beneath the moonlight.
Nmirioma, what is it? Omalicham, what is it? Your father told me something. Apart from that, I saw it with my eyes. We were talking to empty space. Why all these strange things? You almost lost your father because of this your strange attitude. Omalicham, Obim, you know how much I love you. Whatever it is, tell me. I am going to do anything to protect you, my love. Omalicham.
Nothing is happening to me. My father has been imagining a lot since he lost his wife. I don't want to talk about this anymore. I need to get my mind off it.
Okay, Madam. But you were talking to empty space with her.
Stop it! I need to go and check on my father.
What must be, must be. We overcome the physical and become the spiritual.
Oyambakwana surugede. Makana surugede. The mother who allows her child to cry for food when she knows that the breast milk is filled. She will feel the pain when it's served. She will cry and beg for the little child to take it, but it will be rejected permanently. Undumiri, Nduazu, Afutanga, Ayamadabo. Ndumiri, Nduazu, Afutanga, Ayamadabo. Ndumiri, Nduazu, Afutanga, Ayamadabo.
Nine.
My beautiful wife.
Welcome back. How was farming today?
As usual. I tried my best to clear the farm. I had to clear those weeds that are there.
Yeah, you've tried. I want to go and get a vegetable to prepare soup.
Where is my beautiful daughter, Nmirioma?
She went to fetch water for me.
Alone? Why would you allow her to go to the river alone despite my warning? How many times did I warn you not to allow her to go to the river alone? I want to see my daughter here and now. Please, go and bring her back now.
Do not worry yourself. She will come back. Oh, you know, maybe she must have gone to see one or two of her friends. She will come back.
Before this spit dries off, I want to see my daughter in my compound before me here. What is the meaning of this? And you know the way she reacts whenever she goes to the river. How can you just allow her to go to the river alone? What are you saying? I want to see my daughter.
Namuku, I have searched everywhere. Still I could not find her. No results. Please, I am begging you. Can you assist me? Let us go and look for her. Oh, because I've searched everywhere in this kingdom. Where else will I go? Or we can go and see Ezenwani. Let her tell us what is happening or where she is.
What I am telling you is to go and bring back my daughter. You will not enter this house. You will not step your feet into this compound if you are not with my daughter. Start going. I want to see my daughter. I said go and bring back my daughter. Don't return here if you are not with her. Be going. Start. I said start. Go and bring my daughter.
I don't know what else to do. Where will I go?
Go and bring my daughter. Be going. You are the one that sent her out. Go.
Okulo anaghị akali onye kụlụ ya maka na onye nwe nkwụ ma mkpụrụ akwụ ya mmiri ma onwe ya ije mmiri na onye nwe mmiri so ọmụwa bụ mmiri doro edo. Your daughter is alive. She is with her friends in their kingdom. She is happy and okay where she is. And she will be back today.
Ezenwai, I was thinking that she's already on her way back. Maybe from the bush. Because you were gazing at this direction and smiling. But now you are saying something different. You meant that my daughter went with her friends to a neighboring kingdom without thinking how the parents will feel in her absence. She forgot that we will be looking out for her.
She's coming back today because of you. If not, you may not see her again.
Eh?
She derives so much joy with her friends. Obika, you have a great daughter.
Ezenwai, is there anything we can do to bring her back faster? Because I've missed my daughter so much.
My name is Nmirioma. It's been confirmed that she's coming back today.
Nmirioma, where are you coming from? Where did you go to? Who did you tell you are going out to see your friends in the neighboring kingdom? Forgetting you have parents, they'll be looking all over the kingdom for you. Ebekisi.
No, I am sorry. Please do not be angry with me. It was a mistake. I did everything within my power to ensure I return today.
If not that you are my only daughter, I would have asked the gods to strike that lips that you are using to say this rubbish with swollen lips. Eh? So where you went to is better than your parents' hut. Anyway, I don't have time for you. I want to go and check my trap in the bush. When I get back, you will tell me that kingdom you went to. You will tell me those your friends who they are. And you will tell me what kept you there.
Nmirioma, who are those your friends? That we do not know. I said, who are those your friends we do not know? Who are those your friends in Apuara?
Why are you allowing her to beat you up?
Give us the permission to beat her up. Why would she beat you like a little child? Does she know that you are a queen? She does not know who she is touching. Give us the order. Give us the order. Give us the order to end all this.
Do as you wish.
I should do. What have you done? I ask you, what have you done? Did I ask you to kill my mother? Why did you do that?
Do you know how precious my mother is to me? How dare you? You call yourself my friends, but you just killed my mother. What kind of friends are you?
You are our queen. We cannot allow somebody to do such to you. That is the only way we can resolve this. Even the chair of the first heaven knows.
Why? My mother is gone forever. I never planned this for myself.
It is our choice to protect you. It is our duty to protect you. We must protect you because you are our own.
I do not want to ever see you close to me again. You have cost me an unending tears.
On you, Mama.
Go! I'll never return again.
Nam, please do not cry again. Go! Never come back. I do not want to have anything to do with you. You deceived me. You used me against my family. Please stop appearing to me.
We cannot. We are out of you. We live in you. You are one of us. Accept who you are. Accept who you are. Accept who you are.
Today I forbid you! That cost me so much pain. I can never be your friend. Today should be the last time you appear to me.
Who are you talking to? Huh? Who are you talking to? Who is disappearing and will never appear again? Hey, whoa, I said it! I said it! Akwa Agbanjo! Akwa Agbanjo! Who are you talking to? Who is in this body?
In the still of the night, by the river's edge, I whisper across my name.
What is it? Nmirioma,
I am fine.
you are fine?
And I thank the gods that you are fine too.
Did Ife visit our compound today? Because I asked him to come, that there is something important I want us to discuss.
You were sleeping when he came, so I told him to go back. I did not want to disturb your sleep.
That was good, my daughter.
Now,
Yes, my daughter.
let me go and make dinner for us before it gets too late.
That is good too. You are prepared dinner.
I seek a love
Let me go see
that makes
before I
me
enter the
whole,
house.
that makes me
And
whole.
stop that! You stop! I will!
What is happening here?
This
What is that? Will you stop that nonsense?
What is that? My man!
Will you stop? Come.
Hey!
At this age, you people are still fighting.
Why are you keeping mute? Tell him why you are fighting me.
Hey!
Tell him!
No, ask me why I will not fight her. Ask me why I will not fight her! I saw this, hey, what the even? This mad woman in my man's hut.
In a man's heart, you say? Can you even hear yourself speak? A man who has not paid your bride price. A man, what is even wrong with you? Let me tell you, you are not going to stop me from going with that young man.
Will you shut up that useless mouth of yours? Yeah, are you sick? Hey, listen to me. You say this nonsense that just happened here. I want it to remain a mistake. If this rubbish repeats itself, I'll go for the lab. It will not happen. Isn't this? I will deal with her.
Hey!
See, look, is this injury? This small one here, you nearly destroy your face. You know that it's injury. You injured me.
Listen to me. I am so ready for your troubles in this kingdom. Hey. Anyhow you want it, I will give you back to you. Yes! Yes!
Yeah?
I am ready for your troubles. I will beat you, man. You injured me.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You don't have sense.
You injured me. Come.
You are mad.
Huh? Nonsense.
Where are they? Did they punch? Did any of the punch touch
you? You see those men? I hear big amun over there. Do
you know, I did not know. I thought I was dealing with maidens. I did not know I'm dealing with lions. If you feel their punch, you will know they're not mere maidens.
Until this maiden kill you in this kingdom, you will now receive sense.
Where are you going to? You want to follow the same road those lions follow? Ha! If I were you, you will follow me now. If you don't want to die young, follow me now before your face now will rumble.
Why is your face not good? Put a smile on it. Smile? How can I smile? Nmirioma, why should I smile? I saw that stupid girl, Udogadi, with my man. When I confronted her, asking her why she was standing with my man, instead of her to be apologetic for standing with my man, she picked a fight with me. Believe me, I dealt with her mercilessly. You dealt with her, but you have injury on your face. Nmirioma, is this injury big? Look at it all. Is it big? Because if it is big, I am going back to her hut to fight her and beat her in the presence of her parents. It is cured anyways. I feel relief. But that's notwithstanding. I am going back to her hut to teach her a lesson. Sorry to say, she had the mind to injure. Hey! I will allow the gods fight your battle. We have been friends from childhood. I would love you to listen to what I just said. Just like that.
The night by the river's edge, I whisper across my name, a haunting pledge around by
Afuchanka, Ayamadabo, come with us.
Nmirioma. Nmirioma. Hey! Somebody help me! Nmirioma. What happened? Hey! Nmirioma. Nmirioma, wake up. Somebody help! Help me! Nmirioma, wake up now. What happened? Nmirioma. Somebody help!
What is it again? What is it, I ask you? Why can I not have some peace? Why did you take my soul out of my body?
When the leg works without calculating, it goes without getting tired. You must not stay away from your sisters.
Right now, my father will be stranded. My friend will be worried. My man will think I am gone forever. I command you to let me go now.
Imela,
No going back. When a goat plays with a lion, its life is in danger. Because when the lion is hungry, the goat becomes its meat.
I am asking you nicely. Please, let me go.
you are the mother of all, the queen of peace, the deity of the ancients. Stay with your children.
Hey!
Nmirioma.
Hey!
Nmirioma, Ogini. What happened to her?
I don't know. We were going to the farm. I was in front of her. Before I know, I turned. I noticed she was on the floor. I don't know what happened.
Nmirioma, come. Let's take her.
Okay, to her hut.
To where?
Her hut.
What will you tell the father happened to her? Listen to me. We are taking her to my hut. From there, we can seek for a solution.
Nmirioma, biko, wake up.
Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ.
Hey, Ifedi, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? We cannot leave her here alone. Hey, there must be a way out. Let's just find somehow to revive her. Pico.
Adeze, there is no challenge. You are going to sit here and watch over her while I walk around, look for solution. Listen, her father must not know about this incident. Okay?
Yes.
Sit here and watch over her. I'm coming.
Okay. Nmirioma, Biko, wake up. Please. Wake up. Are you sleeping? How can you just lie like this? Hey! Ifedi! Nmirioma, Biko. Wake up. Hey! Ifedi, please come back fast. Come back fast! Nmirioma. It's me, Adeze. Wake up. Hey!
Greetings.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Why are you panting like this? Is anything after you?
There is nothing after me, Chi. I just came to check up on Nmirioma.
Oh, Nmirioma,
yes.
she left to the farm with her Adeze, her friend.
She left to the farm with her days.
Yes.
That means she is very fine.
Yes, she is very fine now. Thank you so much for the concern.
Hello. I beg to take my leave.
Okay. I'm equally going out.
Okay. She is very fine now.
Yes, very fine.
What will I tell Mazio Bika? Anything happens to his daughter? I don't even know how it started. I was not when she fell down. Is it not better I take her to her family? So his father will know what to do. And we will find out if it has happened before. Keeping her in the house is very difficult. I have to go ahead and take her
Hey! Ifedi! Any solution? Hey!
There is no solution. In fact, her father is aware that both of you went to the farm together. In that case, you will be held responsible if anything happens to her.
Hey! Ifedi, oh! Hey!
Adeze, if you can take my little suggestion, I think we should take her back to her father so that he will know what he's going to do to his daughter.
Hi. Yes, I think you're right. That is what we should do. Okay. Hi.
Abalị bụ anyị, ụtụtụ bụ anyị, ikuku na-enye ndụ. Sweet mother of the earth, the most beautiful, the most acknowledged, the most praised, the star that rises at night. That is who you are.
We share the same spirit. We share the same space. We share the same happiness. We share the same power. I, Nmirioma, must return to my body.
Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ.
Why are you looking at me like that?
May the gods be praised. You're awake.
What happened? Why did you do that? I was very tired. I do not know what happened. I was sleeping. Okay. So, can we go to the farm? Can we still go to the farm? Not possible. It is already late. I have to go home.
What does she mean by that? She was sleeping?
Huh?
Adeze, what does she mean by she was sleeping?
Amam.
Imara.
Amara.
Adeze, it's in Imara.
What is the meaning of this, Nmirioma? What kept you so long? I'm even about coming out to search for you. Eh?
We had an attack from the neighboring kingdom.
Who were they? Who were they?
So I ran to a safe place until they left the bush. I regretted going to the farm today. It was a horrible experience.
I hope they did not hurt you. Nobody touched you.
No. I was able to run faster than them. I and my friend hid in a place where they could not find us. I'm sorry for returning late.
Do not leave this compound until I return. Do you hear me?
I really need to find out what is happening. My father has complained this, and it happened before me. It is obvious I never believed life is like that until this point. Please, my G, protect her. I will have to go and talk to her father, just so we can tackle this issue. Let me get close to her and find out what exactly is wrong with her first before telling her father.
Let's run away from this kingdom to a neighboring kingdom and start building a family. You know, I really love you and I'm ready to do anything just for you. Obi, please, I want you to understand me. Let's run away and start making children. Please, Obi.
Odogade, see, what you are saying now is the best thing I've ever heard. Oh yes. Run away and start making children. Fantastic. But you know it is not possible. It is never possible. You are an Osu. And in our tradition and custom, it is a taboo to have anything to do with you. I'm not even supposed to speak with you.
Obi, let's forget about tradition and custom of this land.
Huh?
Yes. Let's run away. That is why I'm of the opinion that we should run away now. Please, let's just run away and start making children. Please, let's run away, please, and I love you.
Shift! Run away to where? And with whose man are you running away with? Eh? My man, in Apuala. Is something wrong with you? Ugo?
Oh?
You want to follow and run away? Have you forgotten who you are? Osu, that is what you are, an outcast, and you want to go away with my man. Have you forgotten you cannot marry from this kingdom? Best advice is go to a different kingdom, look for other young men, and marry.
I love him. I love him so dearly, and you cannot do anything about it.
Wipe that nonsense from your mouth. You love who? You love who? Wano, you there? Wano.
Oh, baby, you're not going anywhere. I love you so much.
I love you. You do what? Hey! Hey! Wano, you go. Let's go.
Obi, are you going?
Obi, Obi, what? We're going. If you're a woman, just cross here and see what I'll do to you. Wano.
No, it's better you stay alive.
Obi.
Stop coming to my hut. Stop looking for me. Stop trying to know things that are bigger than you. Those things I do not even know. Stay away from me.
Nmirioma, why? And where are you getting all this?
I will not warn you again. I do not wish to be your friend anymore. So stay away from me.
Okay. What are your reasons?
Leave now. Don't say! You dare try to touch me. Now get out.
Hey.
Nmirioma. Where are the invaders that you told me that came to attack our community? I met no one. What is wrong with you again? Asam, put a smile on your face.
Why should I smile? Eh? Oh, what is funny? Obim, I don't like what you're doing. I have told you so many times, stay away from that maiden. Stay away from her. But you will not listen. I've told you I don't like to see two of you together, but somehow something will draw you back to her. Ogini, what is it? Why?
Asam, and you look at that beauty in your face. Anytime you are angry, you look more beautiful. I have told you, don't overwork yourself. See, I have told you I do not have anything to do with this maiden. I don't have anything to do with her. She will never succeed. It is you I love. It is you I cherish. Why would I be doing something with a maiden that I don't even have anything to do with? Huh? Asa, don't worry. Huh? Do not worry. Don't you know the meaning of your name? Adeze. Adeze. Don't worry. When this stupid king dies, I will make you my wife, and your name will now come to manifestation. And you will become Adeze. What are you saying?
Obim. Are you sure?
You're asking if I am sure. I am over sure. I was sure yesterday. I am sure today. And I will be sure tomorrow.
You will not see her again.
You have assurance. What are you saying? I do not have anything to do with that. Well, don't overwork yourself. Huh?
Obim. Promise me that you never see her.
See who? This maiden. If I see her, let me die. Let us not use die. I wanted to use die. I don't want us to use die in our relationship. But if I ever see the girl, I will not see her.
Okay.
Because of you.
I'll hold my waist.
What did you say?
Hold my waist.
Obia! Obia! Asam! Let me tell you something. You're the most beautiful thing that has ever happened in my life. Obim, let us go.
Go to where?
Ichie, greetings.
Greetings. Who are you looking for here? Eh? Did she not tell you that you should stop coming close to her? Did she not tell you to stay away from her? Eh? Eh? They have rejected you. Now you want to reject yourself too? Listen, let me tell you. I don't want to see you in this compound again. I don't want to see you close to this hut again. I don't want to see you close to my daughter again. Do you hear me? Now, go. Leave my compound. Don't you know who your father is? Do I look like your father? Eh? You have been rejected. I don't want to see you. She said she does not want to have anything to do with you again. Is there a problem? Can't you understand the simple thing? Listen, let me repeat myself. I don't want to see you anywhere close to this hut again. I don't want to see you close to my house again. As I'm saying it, you keep responding again. I don't want to see you close to my house, eh? Again. I don't want to see you close to my daughter, eh? Again. I don't want to see you close to this compound, eh? Again. Now leave my compound before Mbu Apugisi. Because if I see you here, you will make me to do what I will regret. Leave. Can you imagine? I don't want to see you. Is it a crime? Let me see you here again.
Adese,
Hebi Naga.
I was actually coming back from Nmirima's hut.
Okay.
The father told me that she is not around.
Hey, and I was going to her hut as well. Well, since the father said so, I should be going back.
No, Adese. Please, I want you to follow me to my hut. Let me go and collect some money. I want to go to Dibiafa to go and seek for solution to Nmirima's problem.
Cheregodu Kamjoagi. Are you in love with her?
Adese, to be very sincere, I am seriously in love with that maiden. But I have not made my intention known to her yet. I want to seek for solution to her problem. Then after then, I can now approach her.
Okay. I will go with you.
Dalu, thank you. Dalu. Okay. One woman.
You're back.
Greetings, Nam.
Greetings, my beautiful daughter. I'm on my way out to see a friend. I'll be back shortly, eh? I want to ask, what did he do that made you to take such a drastic decision against him? He was here this morning. Ifede was here in this compound this morning to see you. But because of what you said you want, I had to chase him out. I pushed him out. And I told him never to come close to you and never to come close again to this compound. Even at that. And I'm still wondering, what could have made my beautiful daughter to take such a decision against a young man you and I know too well is a very kind person? Someone who have been kind and good to you. Both of you are best of friends.
Father, we did nothing. I just do not want the closeness anymore. I want my peace so I can concentrate. I will not fail you, Father, so you have nothing to worry about. I have my reasons for everything.
I hope so. I'll be on my way.
Father, come back early so your food will not get cold.
It's alright.
Please, we have gone to Dibiafa. He did not give me the answers I want. That is why I am here. They said you are the best. Biko Ezenwanyi, I want you to check very well whether Nmirioma, the love of my life, is possessed or something.
What you do not know is bigger than you. Nmirioma, the pretty maiden, is with a pure heart. That's all.
Ezenwanyi, I want you to check very well whether she is possessed.
The gods didn't say such. She is with a pure heart. That's all I can say. Ezenwanyi, that's all? Okay. We should be going. Thank you, Ezenwanyi. temper with the soul that loves me.
How dare you stop us?
Because you do not have the right to take his life. He is the grandson of Urashi Nmiri of Uli. Ibobo Chutaoku of this kingdom. He is also gifted.
Accept who you are! Accept who you are!
Nmirioma. Hey, Nmirioma, Biko. Hey, don't go inside. For my sake. Oh, Biko. What do you want, Adizi? I want you to listen to me. There's something very special Ife want to tell you. I want you to listen. Oh, Biko.
Obi. Omalicham. Omalicham.
Nmirioma.
Nmirioma. Hey, why are you doing this to me? Nmirioma. Oh, go for Nanya and Mimi, yeah.
Nmirioma. You want to go inside with her? What if her father is inside?
I am not living here. I will die. I will just kill myself. I want to die.
Die?
Yes.
Has it gotten to that?
I am not living here. Ma'am.
Relax.
I am going to die here. I will just die.
Don't say it. You won't die how?
I don't know how I am going to say this. I don't know how it's going to sound. But I am telling you the truth. I love your daughter, Nmirioma, so much. She is my happiness. Nmirioma is everything I want in a woman. I want to marry her, please.
Omaka, when a man confesses love in this form, it means that his mind is made up. Let me say, pardon my hostilities the last time you came to my hut. Your persistence have proven that you have a genuine intention towards my daughter. Which means you are a true son of your father.
Yes.
It's all right. I am going to speak to my daughter. I will try and convince her, but you must understand, women are very, very pretentious. And I believe that her fear is that she does not want anyone that will break her heart or that will cause misery for her. Somebody that will make her cry. That is what she does not want. But now you have summoned the courage to tell me what is in your mind. I am going to support you and I am going to convince her.
Okay. We have been friends from childhood. The feelings I have for her has never changed for once. I promise you I am not going to make her cry. I will love and cherish her. Just help me and talk to her, please.
Thank to the gods that your feelings for her right from childhood have not changed.
Never.
And will not change.
It will never.
Once the feelings get hot, it will turn to violent entrance, which is not good. So, I've heard what you said. I will speak to her. Okay. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Okay.
Why do you want to stain my kingdom with the blood of the innocent?
The blood of the innocent triggers the anger of the gods. We wish to make you see them die and feel the pain.
Humans don't die in my presence, even when their chi wants them dead. It is the wrong time in here, because I stand on the journey of this kingdom and with my chi.
Una! 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 Una!
Father, I have told you I do not want to have anything to do with that young man.
Nmirioma, and I am telling you that the best thing that will happen to you is in that man. Ifed was in this very compound early today. From his eyes, I saw true love in his eyes. And from his spoken words, I could sense the feelings of a man who truly wants to have you as his wife. Why don't you give him a chance? Eh?
Indeed, Afuchanka, Anyamadu Akbo. Father, I do not want to marry now. I need time so I can take care of you and other things.
Nmirioma, time. Nmirioma, obogo nanchi, amunchago. Anya popia. Because you are not seeing clearly. Which time are you talking about? No, tell me. Show me your age mate that is still in this very community that is not married with children. All of them are dead. How much ago? You are telling me time. Which time? Which time? When is the time going to time? Yeah? Nmirioma. Ina pala memme. Eh? Kana bogo Nmirioma ineko. Listen, let me tell you. This is your father now talking to you. Go and tell those your Obanja people that you will get married. Yes. Obanja people, they get married. Your own is not different. No, tell me. Maybe when they call you Nmirioma, it's already getting on your head. That name is getting on your head. Neko. Listen, you must get married to give me grandchildren. That is what I demand. You are my only daughter. Where is your mother? She is late. I need to be seeing your children around me so that I can have longer life. I can only have grandchildren when you are married. If you are not married, I cannot have them. I need to visit my in-law. I need a lot of things from you as my daughter. Don't you have a mama? Eh? You want a mama? Don't just get me angry. You must get married. And you are getting married whether you are accepting it or not. Don't go here. Eh? Who are you puffing out for? Go and tell those your Wanja people that you are getting married and that is my decision and it must be obeyed. That is how it's going to be.
Spirits of Eshet, gateway of Nmiri, I have come to beg you on behalf of my family and my loved ones. Keep us alive. Do not allow us meet with our enemies. The man that is supposed to locate me, let him locate me. The man that is supposed to locate other maidens, let him also locate them. Ikenga nwoke, Ikenga nwanyi, ụmụ ọgbanje. Give us peace. Give us peace. Give us peace.
Ise. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nga, anya mmadụ atọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nga, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nga, anya mmadụ abụọ. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nga, anya mmadụ abụọ.
I love him. He is calm and a very kind person.
Your decision is far. That is not what you're supposed to be thinking. It is supposed to be about us. It is supposed to be about how to save your kingdom. It is supposed to be how to show us that you love us. The Umawanje.
You cannot stop my decision. I am your queen, according to your words. I have my decision to make. My father stands with me, and my chi also stands with me. When an Ezemo fights with his chi without having a Fonaogo, he must surely be defeated. Leave and never return to me.
Let us wait for the day Nmirioma will dry. That is the day Udele will eat the heart of a lion. Ndụ mmiri, ndụ azụ, afụcha nke a, anya mmadụ abụọ.
Nmirioma, Omalicham, Adokum, I am sorry the way I acted towards you the other time that made you stay away from me. Odin, please. I am really sorry. I thought about it and I have come in conclusion that I would love to make you my wife. Omalicham, please. You are the only one I love. Biko.
I understand you, but I also know you're never serious. You know this can never work, because I've never thought or dreamt of marrying a man like you.
Biko, I know this is the wrong time telling you this. Please, you are the only woman I love. I want to be that man that will be with you in times of troubles and also be with you in times of peace. There are strange things I don't know about you, but I don't care. You are the only one I love, please. Nmirioma, I would love to call you Oriako. Biko.
I have to start going home now. I'll talk to you some other time. In fact, I need to discuss this with my father. I am sorry. I did not mean to make you feel bad. I'm only being sincere to you. I'll talk to you when next we see. Have a nice day. I have thought about everything. You are the man who has showed me what love is.
You stood by me. You make sure I do not look stupid in this kingdom. I truly have a place in my heart for you. I think I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are you serious? Hey. Thanks to God. Nmirioma, I have been praying to my chief, asking them to grant my heart's desires. They just did by you saying yes to me. I am the happiest man right now. I love you so much. In the next 4 market days, my family and I shall be in your father's hut to pay your bride price.
My father really wants me to marry you.
Oh.
He wants you as his son-in-law.
Ogobuchi.
He says good about you all the time.
Oh.
It will be a thing of joy to be in your arms. I love you too.
I owe your father a lot. Preparation follows immediately.
They gather in the night, with their secret rites.
Let's go. If Eddie and his people have arrived, let's go so that you go and welcome them. Let's go. Again, let's go. Hi. Let us go. Let us go. Let's go. Nmirioma. Hey! Nmirioma. Not today, Nmirioma. Stand up. Hey, if somebody should come and help me. Yo. Hey! Oh, she has fallen again. Hey, don't collapse for today. No.
Allow me to go. Today I will be getting married to the man of my choice. Why are you people this wicked? You choose to take me away from the earth for no reason.
You cannot marry him. He must die. He must die. He must die.
It is impossible. That young man has a pure and a kind heart. Can you not see deep into his heart to know that he truly loves me?
The true love is the only reason that will make him die. When he dies, you become stronger and indestructible.
I want to go back and be with my husband. Tell me what it will cost, and I will do it.
Fight! You will fight with the gatekeeper of the ancient. If you defeat the gatekeeper, you will be granted a privilege to go back and marry him. But if you do not defeat the gatekeeper, you will never go back alive again. You will remain here with us.
Set Darena.
Miridoledo, please. Please, I know you can revive her, please. Today is the day that she's having her traditional marriage. Biko, please do anything that can bring her back.
Keep quiet! Her soul has gone very far. But I'm trying to know what I can do about it. So just keep quiet!
You are the strongest as a wine. Nnukwu as a wine because you can help me. You have seen bangwe. Just lay my yavuna ngida lacha go manya. Ne vichazim danya. Please help me.
This is strange. I don't know what could be the problem. I don't understand it all. I mean, it's strange. Everyone is so confused. Hey, she just collapsed. She's not sick. Nothing is wrong with her. Only that, I hope she just recovers fast. Because today is a special day now. Hey. I hope it is not death. Death? Kokwa, listen. Today being a special day, I hope it's not death. Hey, Nmirioma. Nmirioma should wake up. She should wake up. Hey? How can she just prepare for a special day and just collapse like that? See me. Yeah, let's go and check with her. She's gone. Her spirit has gone very far. Only thing you can do right now is to bury her.
She cannot just die like that. Maybe she has just...
There is nothing I can do about it.
Mirimba.
It is her destiny.
No! Mirimba.
Go and bury her.
Hey, no. Hey, no. She cannot die.
If I is talking to you, please. This is the happiest day of our life.
Keep talking. Maybe she will come back. Keep talking. Whisper into her ears. Call her name.
This is where you belong. You are the queen, and nobody can marry you. It was an agreement years back. You can wake up one morning and want to destroy it. I am not your queen. I command you to stay far away from me. I am the last of my kind. Your threats cannot make me change my decision. You are the queen! And I don't want to kill you with my bare hands. Accept to be the queen and have peace. Allow me to fight you one more time. Indeed! Afuchanka and your mother gabo. You have proven yourself. You have shown how truthful your love is. You have been granted the privilege to live for more 10 years. Go back before your body will be thrown into the river.
Thank you, daughters of the night and day, granddaughters of darkness, children of the river. Thank you.
What I regret, I have brought her for you people. Yes. Everything about Nmirioma in my life are all regret. Collapse, rise, collapse, rise. What is my gain? Suffering. The joy of fatherhood, she destroyed it. The joy of having a daughter, she destroyed it. Now tell me, every day she will wake up, every day she will collapse, every day she will wake up, every day she will collapse. Where she goes to, I don't know. Come and carry her. She is your property. I heard that she is Obanje, so she belongs to the river. Hey. I have brought her. I do not want to see her again. I do not want to see her again. I don't want anything or any human being like her or from her to come into my life again. She brought nothing but misery. I have kept her here. You people should come and carry her. I am going. Let us go.
Hey! Nam, please don't run. I am back. I am not a ghost. Please come back. I need all of you now.
Papa, who is your father?
It is me, Nmirioma.
Nmirioma told us that you are an Obanje, you are dead.
I'm back.
We brought you back to where you belong. I am no longer interested. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry for everything. I'm back now.
I don't want to marry.
Nmirioma said you are dead. You are an Obanje. Don't go close to her. Yeah. Ifed, are you sure she is not here to carry you and join the Obanje?
She is your daughter. She is here to go with. I am not the one. This is your father. Please leave me alone. I am no longer interested. Please.
So the only thing Obanje people does is to collapse you and bring you back. Imagine the shame you brought upon me today before my in-laws. Just to come and greet them, you collapsed. And now you have woken up again after we have toiled and done everything. And you are calling me your papa. Listen, let us go. Leave her because she's going to collapse again. Let me alone. Collapse again and follow me. Collapse.
You have just 10 years to live on earth.
I watched you rise from the darkest night, breaking free, chasing the light. You left the storm, left the tide behind, and now you are here, forever on mine. Your strength, your treasure untold, more precious and brighter than gold. You choose my love, and now I see the greatest gift is you.